You've seen endless golden wheat fields. Now imagine one single machine that can swallow dozens of tons of wheat per hour and cut more than 15 meters wide. This is the top 7 largest wheat harvesters in the world. Mechanical giants built to conquer the biggest golden fields on Earth. The further we go down the list, the more impressive they become. If you love truly massive machines, hit follow right now because the machines toward the end of this list will completely blow your mind with their sheer scale. The John Deere S790 is a powerful wheat harvester from the S700 series, delivering up to 550 HP, a cutting width up to 13.7 meters, and a grain tank over 14,000 liters. Its robust rotor system, combined with smart auto-adjust technology, reduces grain loss and significantly boosts harvesting speed on vast wheat fields. What makes it visually impressive is the solid build, modern cab, and ability to work continuously in tough conditions. In real life, the S790 acts like a giant green warrior, cleanly harvesting golden wheat and delivering high productivity for large-scale farms. It is a trustworthy choice when you need strong yet stable performance on wheat fields. The new Holland CR10 is a twin-rotor flagship with 634 plus HP, a large grain tank, and cutting width up to 15 meters with suitable headers. The dual-rotor system separates wheat cleanly with ultra-fast unloading, perfect for large-scale wheat fields needing speed and high efficiency. Its greatest strength is minimal grain loss, smooth operation, and modern driver assist technology. Visually, the CR10 looks powerful and solid, moving majestically across golden fields. It is a machine many large farm owners seriously consider when wanting a clear productivity upgrade for wheat seasons. The John Deere X9 1100 is a dual-rotor super wheat harvester with over 600 HP, a grain tank up to 19,000 liters, and capacity reaching thousands of bushels per hour. Smart technology and automatic optimization allow it to perform efficiently on massive wheat fields. Its key strengths are astonishing harvesting speed, high grain quality, and continuous operation. Visually, the X9 1100 radiates modern power, like a Formula One machine in agriculture. It proves John Deere leads the new generation of wheat harvesters for large farms. The Case IH AF11 is an axial flow beast with 775 HP, a massive grain tank, and extremely fast wheat processing capability. Its powerful single-rotor system, combined with modern technology, reduces losses and significantly boosts productivity. What stands out is stable harvesting on large fields, fast unloading, and wheat-optimized design. Visually, the AF11 feels majestic and powerful. It was born for industrial-scale wheat farms, where speed and reliability are key. If you're still unsure which machine is truly the best so far, drop your ranking in the comments right now, because from top 5 downward, we're entering the territory of real mechanical monsters. The new Holland CR11 is currently one of the strongest wheat harvesters with 770 HP from an FPT Cursor 16 engine, a massive 20,000-liter grain tank, and unloading speed up to 6 bushels per second. Headers can reach 15 meters or more, while the 4-inch twin rotors process wheat extremely cleanly. What makes it a top contender is its ability to harvest multiple large fields quickly, astonishing productivity, and smart technology. Visually, the CR11 is overwhelming, a true mechanical monster. This is the pinnacle of twin-rotor wheat harvesters. The Fendt Ideal 10T is a 790 HP beast with a powerful man engine, large grain tank, and modern wheat separation system. It is famous for handling massive volumes of wheat, minimizing losses, and operating efficiently on wide fields. Its key strengths are top-tier power, smart technology, and wheat-optimized design. Visually, the Ideal 10T radiates Fendt's signature elegance and power. It is made for large wheat farm owners seeking maximum performance. The Claas Lexion 8900 is the strongest and most advanced wheat harvester with 790 HP from a 16. 2-liter maiden engine, a 18,000 grain tank, and top-tier APS Synflow hybrid system. Headers can reach 13.8 meters with TerraTrack for excellent traction. What makes it the king is ultra-fast harvesting, clean wheat separation, minimal losses, and smart automation. Visually, the Lexion 8900 feels majestic and overwhelming, like a golden monster dominating wheat fields. This is the current pinnacle of world wheat harvesters. Out of the 7 machines today, which one impressed you the most? And what would you like to see next? Top rice harvesters, excavators, mining dump trucks, or heavy-duty tractors? Drop your suggestions in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos about the strongest, largest, and most modern machines in the world.